So in unit and output costing, okay, fourth question. So see here, the following is a costing information of production for the year ending 30th June 1970. Okay, purchase of raw material 1,32,000 he has given, direct wages 1,10,000, rent, taxes and work expenses 44,000, carriage inwards 1,584. Stock on 1st January, nothing but an opening stock he has given, opening stock of raw material also he has given, and finished product 1600 tons 17, ante nothing but opening stock of raw material and opening stock of finished products he has given, closing stock of raw material and closing stock of finished goods he has given, even opening stock of work in progress and closing stock of work in progress also he has given, cost of factory supervision, sale of finished products 3,30,000, nothing but finally sales is how much here, 3,30,000. Advertising discount allowed and selling cost 80 pice per ton sold. So 25,600 tons of commodity were produced during the period. You are required to prepare cost sheet and ascertain the cost of raw material used, the cost of output for the period, the cost of turnover for the period, the net profit for the period, the net profit per ton of the commodity he has given. This is the question he has given. Okay, so here what we have to do means we have to prepare a cost sheet. What we have to do? We have to prepare a cost sheet here. So once you see the answer, first of all, what is the answer here for us? See here, first direct material consumed. Okay, under direct material what we have to take means opening stock of raw material. Okay, next purchase of raw material and carriage inwards. Okay, 3 we have to add. From that what we have to deduct? Closing stock of raw material we have to deduct. Okay, afterwards what we have to do? We have to add the direct wages which is given in the question. So finally we will be getting a prime cost here. After that, factory overhead. What we have to do? We have to add the factory overhead. In factory overhead, okay, what the information once he has given, once you see here regarding the factory overhead. See here, rent, taxes and work expenses he has given. So that's why we have taken this item in the factory overhead. Okay, rent, taxes and works expenses. And cost of factory supervision 52,800. Okay, afterwards add opening stock of work in progress. Why? Because in the question he has given opening stock of work in progress and even closing stock of work in progress he has given in the question. So opening stock of work in progress 5,280. Okay, after adding that amount, next what we have to do means we have to deduct the closing stock of work in progress. Okay, closing stock of work in progress is how much here? 17,600. Okay, once you go to the pro forma, cost sheet pro forma. Okay, the cost sheet pro forma, you have all this information. Okay, what we have to do means in factory overhead itself, we have to add the opening stock of work in progress and we have to deduct the closing stock of work in progress. Okay, nothing but now total factory overhead, how much we got here? 40,480. Okay, so for prime cost we have to add this 40,480. Then factory cost or else work cost, how much you will be getting? 2,81,600 you will be getting as a factory cost or work cost. Afterwards, what is the next one? Office overhead. Here office overhead we don't have any items here. So directly what we have to do means, see the question what he has given, opening stock of finished goods he has given and closing stock of finished goods he has given. See here, so opening stock of finished goods we have to add and closing stock of finished goods what we have to do? We have to deduct it. Okay, so this amount should be added to the factory cost. Then finally we will be getting a cost of production. Next, going to the selling and distribution. So once here selling and for selling and distribution what he has given, you see here, advertising discount allowed and selling cost 80 pice per ton sold he has given. Direct information he has not given. What he has given? Just 80 pice per ton he has sold. So how many goods are sold? That first of all we have to find here. How many goods are sold? That we have to find here. Okay, so here what happened means, how many units have been produced here in that year? 25,600 units are produced. Already previous opening is how much? 1600 tons. 1600 tons plus current year produced 25,600. For that what we have to do? We have to deduct closing 3,200 tons. Finished goods I have taken here. First, opening stock of finished goods 1600 tons. Next, what I have done here? Current year production. How many units they have produced? 25,600 tons they have produced. From that minus closing stock of finished goods. Minus, see here, production. Currently produced 25,600 tons opening stock of finished goods minus closing stock of finished tons. So afterwards finally sold, how many units have been sold here? 24,000 units have been sold into 0.80, 80 pies. Selling and distribution expenses is how much here? 80 pies. So 24,000 into 80 pies is how much? 19,200. This should be added to the cost of production. Then finally you will be getting a cost of sales, that is 2,83,200. Next in the question, what he has given? Sales he has given. What he has given in this question? Sales. Sales is how much here? 3,30,000. From this 3,30,000, deduct the cost of sales, then you will be getting a net profit, that is 46,800. Okay, this is the which question? Fourth question. Clear? In the same manner you can do the fifth also. Fifth, okay, fifth is a homework for you.